Hi everyone, my name is Jenna and welcome back to my pink-haired glittered video. On this edition of I'm trying things I'm not qualified to do, I'm attempting to do something that 5-year-olds do, so I'm hoping that it goes kind of well. I am making slime. And I've been wanting to make this for such a long time. Slime videos are literally just like mesmerizing to watch. And my intros do not need to be this long and I just keep talking, and let's just get started. I'm making cloud slime and butter slime. I'm not using a recipe because like, ew. So this is, something is really not right. Is this one like that? It looks like a bad marshmallow. Ah, maybe I'll just add like a little bit of water to it. Okay, this is legitimately like already slime. This is goo soup, but I was not anticipating this being the glue situation. This is like really gross, but I'm like here for it, you know? No joke though, I've been wanting to make slime for so long now. It might have been for, it was some like event I was in town for, maybe Valentine's Day, and I literally just wanted to stay in, eat pizza, watch documentaries, and like make slime. And for some reason, no one else thought that would be like the best night ever. So they're missing out. Hi Cassie. How come 5-year-olds literally can make slime and I am 23 and I can't? I was set up to fail though. I'm gonna go see if my family has any glue. BRB. We are back. The glue that I originally had was really chunky, really gross. I went and found some new glue, except I started mixing this one a lot and it was like, this is the old one. Oh, I'm out of breath. Oh my god. I ran up and downstairs and now I'm like dying. My cardiovascular fitness is not great. I was really just like mixing this as if I was like trying to make whipped cream or something. I was adding some of this other contact solution and then I put in a little bit of baking soda or powder, the one in the box, not in the jar, and actually it turned into slime. It's definitely like a little bit sticky. This is so fun. Oh my god, am I a slime YouTuber? Forget beauty YouTuber. I'm now Karina Garcia. Wait, this is really fun. So now to make cloud snow slime. So this is instant snow. Having pink hair is really fun. I definitely have to be way more aware about, oh wow, this is really melting. About what I wear though, because of, I don't want it to clash. This is already getting like really fluffy. I'm gonna add some more snow. It doesn't smell very good. Ah, it's getting drizzly. Can you tell I've been watching slime videos? All the lingo. Okay, I might have added too much snow. Feels kind of like phloem. Is phloem still a thing? It's like really thick. I did something wrong. I mean, it feels really cool, even though it's not actually like drizzly. I'm gonna have some like 10-year-old commenting.
You should have been doing this and this.
Thank you. I'll try that next time. This makes me so happy. Cloud snow is a no-go. Let's move on to butter slime. Cloud snow. Cloud slime. Straight up got pink hair and forgot how to talk. Lotion. I'm following a recipe. Sort of. Shaving cream. I'm not a child at all. With my root beer float making slime in my bedroom with glitter eyeshadow and pink hair. I'm an adult. I was offered a big kid job this week. I haven't had a root beer float in literally years. I don't even drink soda. I don't eat ice cream. I don't drink soda, but this is really good. Alrighty, let's mix up the shaving cream. Now they say to add this, and it should be sticky, but not too sticky. I am so excited for the new Shane Dawson Jeffree Star video series to come out. Also, this is It's just like really sticky. It is very sticky. It feels like bubble gum. It's a Friday night right now. I would rather be sitting alone in my bedroom on a Friday night making slime and drinking a root beer float than out of bars. I mean, come on. Why should I spend $15 on one drink when I can just do this? I don't understand the people who could go out Thursday through Sunday. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like going out. I like having fun, but this is fun. Now this one says to use like some type of soft clay. I got Play-Doh. We'll see if that works. Okay, but like high-key, this is super good. Girl science. You know how certain smells take you back to when you were young?
How come I'm never able to identify where they're coming from?
I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it.
Try to sell it, never sold out of it. I'd probably only sell one. It would be to my brother because we have the same nose.
Same clothes, homegrown. Stone thrown from the creek we used to roam. Anyway, that whole thing came from, you know how like certain smells, this is literally just like repeating. Scent is one of those things that like really triggers memories. When I smell this Play-Doh, it immediately brought me back to, I used to have a Play-Doh McDonald's set where you would like put the Play-Doh in and press it through and it would like make fries, or it would make like a chocolate vanilla swirl cone. And that was the first thing I thought of when I smelled Play-Doh. And then I went on a 21 Pilots tangent. Alright, so my camera died. I have you on my iPad right now because my iPad is newer than my phone, so the quality of the whatever. But I got the slime to work. It literally looks like chewing gum and it matches my hair really nicely. This is butter slime and I just kept playing with it and it ended up being fine. I did use baking soda. Baking soda was a game changer. It like really helped. Okay, so yeah, here. Like look at that. Oh, my nails look bad. Thanks so much for watching this video. Bye. We go together.